Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the SIM and signal because the phone writes the voicemail number to carrier settings. Once done, open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu. Navigate quickly to settings, then voicemail. That's where Vivo stores the destination number. Make sure you have the new voicemail number ready in international format, since Vivo won't accept local shortcuts reliably. This step tells the phone where to route unanswered calls, so enter accurate digits before proceeding to save changes. Now edit the voicemail entry. Tap the voicemail number field and replace it with the new number, using plus country code format to avoid routing errors. Once entered, press save. If you have dual SIM, pick the correct SIM in advanced or voicemail settings before saving. If your Vivo build hides the field, record the number and ask your carrier for the specific MMI or activation code. Carriers sometimes require a network-side update. Making the change here ensures missed calls forward to the correct mailbox. Finish by testing. Long press 1 or call your voicemail from another device to confirm you reached the new number. If you're redirected to the old mailbox, restart the phone and try again. If that fails, reset network settings to force carrier reprovisioning, then re-enter the number. Make sure voicemail forwarding is enabled on the correct SIM. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Some carriers must update the voicemail destination on their side, and they can push the change or provide the proper activation code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.